Cholesterol-lowering properties in food come from nutrients like soluble fiber, plant sterols, and healthy fats. Soluble fiber found in oats, beans, fruits, and vegetables binds to cholesterol, reducing its absorption. Plant sterols in fortified foods compete with cholesterol for absorption, lowering LDL levels. Healthy fats in foods like avocados, nuts, fatty fish improve cholesterol levels. Omega-3 fatty acids lower triglycerides, reduce heart disease risk. Antioxidants in fruits, vegetables, nuts protect against heart disease by reducing inflammation. Phytosterols in nuts, seeds, and oils resemble cholesterol and hinder its absorption. Oats rich in soluble fiber, oats can help lower LDL, bad cholesterol levels when consumed regularly. Barley contains soluble fiber that can aid in reducing LDL cholesterol. Beans and legumes. Beans, lentils, chickpeas, and peas are excellent sources of soluble fiber and plant-based protein, which can help lower LDL cholesterol. Nuts. Almonds, walnuts, pistachios, and other nuts are rich in healthy fats, fiber, and plant sterols, which can help lower LDL cholesterol. Fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, trout, sardines, and other fatty fish are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which can help lower triglycerides and increase HDL, good cholesterol levels. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which can help lower LDL cholesterol levels and increase HDL cholesterol. Olive oil, extra virgin. Olive oil is a healthy fat that is rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. Colorful fruits and vegetables are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and fiber, which can help support heart health and lower cholesterol levels. Whole grains such as brown rice, quinoa, whole wheat, and bulgur are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, which can help lower LDL cholesterol levels and improve overall heart health. Soybeans, tofu, tempeh, and soy milk contain plant-based proteins called soy isoflavones, which may help lower LDL cholesterol levels. Incorporating these foods into a balanced diet supports heart health and lowers cholesterol.